Channel. Today I will tell you that how to make a fortune wheel. This is for what purpose? This is for playing games, and you can also learn addition and subtraction of 4-digit numbers by playing this. This will be so fun. To make the fortune wheel, we need glue, pencil, a black sketch pen, a scale, scissors, brush pen and cardboard. Then cut the cardboard into two circles. The one circle is big and the one circle is small. Mark the both centers. After marking, take the small circle and divide it into segments. After dividing, stick this both together with a glue. After sticking, put colors inside it. After that, it looks like this. As you can see here, I have colored it and I have written 4-digit numbers inside it. You can write any number you want. And then make a stand with a cardboard. Put a hole here. Put a hole in the middle. Make a stand with the cardboard. Make a pointer and fix it with the glue. With the help of this pointer, we can see where our fortune wheel stops. Then assemble this. For assembling, we need one bolt and 3 nuts. You have to assemble this like this. You will tighten the screw. Now your fortune wheel is ready. Now I will tell you that how to play with this. You can play this game with 3 members. Each member should move it twice. And then where the arrow stops. Example, I have got 2500. Then I will do it again. Now I got 3600. Means I will add those both numbers. Till last we will play this. And then who has the highest score will win this game. This is how we have to make this fortune wheel and how we have to play this game. And we can learn by playing also.